up, MotoBros and girls? Welcome back to another video. So I told you guys we're gonna scale things up, and that's what we're doing today. You guys are gonna get a little behind the scenes action here today. We're recording a video that you guys will probably see Wednesday. So it should be the video after this one, and that's what we're going to go shoot right now. So yeah, we're trying to up the quality and get some better angles of the dangles for you guys, and just make everything cinematic and fun to watch. So stay tuned and have a jolly old good time. Big bumps. Woo, his exhaust is setting in. She's starting to pop a lot now. Now I just got to get it flashed. That's coming up next. Production value. Ugh, gross. Don't ever burp in your helmet. That was nasty. It's a beautiful evening in Southern California right now. It's nice and breezy. Gonna have to start doing nighttime videos because it's just too damn hot during the day, man. This is brutal. Hopefully the quality is pretty good. I had to up the ISO, so hopefully it's not too dark for you guys. Gonna have to experiment a little bit because we want to try and do some more nighttime rides. I think that'd be pretty cool and something a bit different, you know, than what you guys are used to. So let me know if you guys would like to see something like that. Alright guys, we're coming up on our first filming location, so we'll see what we can get done. Looks like it's pretty busy though, so I don't know. Alrighty guys, a little behind the scenes action. We're gonna get a few shots here in this parking lot. Hopefully they turn out super glamorous, but I guess we'll see. Yeah, definitely can quick shift in here, that's for sure. I bogged out second and third. Go ahead, Twinkle Toes. The what? Yeah, not enough space. I don't know. Alright. Right. That might work for a quick shift, I don't know.
I felt the air on that one. I felt that one really good. Skirty, skirt, skirt, skirt.
Squeak, squeak. Alrighty guys, we are on our way to the next filming location. Hopefully this stuff turns out pretty good. I'm a little worried about the low light, but I guess we'll find out. We're still noobs. We'll get better eventually. It's just hard to do stuff with GoPro sometimes because they're not the best at low light. But we shall see. So we're gonna head to the next location and get some B-roll and probably a bunch of other stuff too, so stay tuned. A bunch of people at the store shopping. Suds Brothers. Fancy. Oh.
I wish it was like a different color, but right now it's white.
Yeah. Is it normally different colors?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a red one right there.
Every hour it's like red, green, purple, blue.
Oh, that's sick.
Different like a rainbow color.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Alright guys, my boy's getting those gangsta B-roll shots. Little behind the scenes action. Gotta get that B-roll. We're at this pretty cool glow in the dark vacuum slash car wash slash bike wash. It's pretty sick. Can't really tell on camera, but the lights change like every hour or two. It's pretty dope. But yeah. Alright guys, we're all finished up here. I think that's pretty much a wrap. So we're gonna go ahead and head out and get to editing all this freaking footage, man. But yeah, hopefully you guys like this little behind the scenes thing. I should have added a lot more, but I was just kind of focused on getting all the clips and stuff for the video. But let me know if you guys like this kind of thing when we do like these more like production style cinematic high quality videos, and we can kind of just show you guys more of the behind the scenes of things that go on. If you guys like, just let us know in the comment section down below. But it is officially dark time, so I don't know how much you guys are gonna see, so we'll probably end it off here. If anything cool happens, I'll include it in the video. But until next time, y'all have a good one, and yeah, peace. I'm just gonna take a nap right here. Oh, perfect timing. Aha!